Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your local storage settings for Ring video recordings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Ring app on your mobile device. Log into your Ring account if prompted. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Select devices from the menu options. Choose the Ring device for which you want to update local storage settings. Scroll down to find device settings and tap on it. Look for the video storage option within the settings menu. Tap on video storage to access storage settings. You'll see options for local storage settings. Choose your preferred storage option. If you want to enable local storage, toggle the switch to the on position. If you're updating your existing settings, review the current storage details. After making your selection, tap Save or Apply. Wait for the app to confirm that your settings have been updated. Close the settings menu and return to the main screen. Your local storage settings for Ring video recordings have now been updated. You can check the status anytime by revisiting the video storage settings. Ensure your device has adequate storage space for future recordings. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your local storage settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.